What is the value of current in secondary circuit? Whereas the transformer is operated with 11,000 volt, which is having a 88 watt, and which is connected with the mains of 220 volt. So it's known that the power can be calculated using a formula voltage times current. So here the question is regarding the current in a secondary coil. So we can write power in a secondary coil will be equal to voltage in a secondary coil times the current in a secondary coil. So when we are rearranging an equation, the current in a secondary coil will be equal to power in a secondary coil divided by voltage in a secondary coil. So the power in a secondary coil is given as 88 watt, whereas the voltage in a secondary coil is given as 11,000 volt. So here we have to take the operating voltage of a transformer, not the voltage from a main source. So let us apply the values here. So the current in a secondary coil will be equal to 88 divided by 11,000 volt. When we are simplifying this, we will get 8 milliamps as an answer. So the correct answer for this question is option A here.